Alright, boys and girls, this is 8.10 Math Box on page 175. This is also part of a review. Remember, these sessions get so long and I don't want you to sit here the whole time. I would like you to pause the video every once in a while and just go take a little motor break, a little brain break, and make sure that you're focused and you're able to come back and really take in this instruction so we can do well on our math test, okay? So here's 8.10 math boxes. Starting off with number 1, you have a use the less than, greater than, or equal to sign. Okay, so we have less than, greater than, or equal to. Now we have 2 quarters. 2 quarters, so that means 25 plus 25. Well, I should already know that if a quarter equals 25 and there's 2 of them, that's going to definitely equal more than 25. And at this point, we should probably know that 2 quarters equals 50 cents. So 50 is greater than 25 cents. 50 is greater than 25 cents. Now, it says $1. Okay, so $1 is what to a quarter, a dime, a quarter, and a dime? Okay, so let's find our quarters, put them together, dimes, put them together, our quarters. Remember, we know quarters are 25 cents each. 2 quarters equals 50 cents. And then we know that a dime equals 10 cents, right? So dime, if you did 10, 20, you have 20 cents, okay? So 50 plus 20 equals 70 cents. This is getting kind of complicated for you guys, but that's okay. We're going to challenge ourselves, and we're going to get better, and we're going to grow every single day. So $1 is greater than, less than, or equal to 70 cents. It is greater than. I would rather have $1 than 70 cents. That's for sure. Now, if I have 10 cents plus 20 cents, we know that 20, 30, okay? So we're just skip counting by tens with that. Addition, skip counting by tens. 30 cents is greater than or equal to, or greater than, less than, or equal to a nickel and a quarter. So a nickel is 5, a quarter is 25. Well, we can skip count by 5 for that. We can just pound on 25, skip count another 5, 25, 30. So we know that 30 cents on this side. So look at that. Is 30 cents greater than, less than, or equal to 30 cents? I agree. It is equal to. So we're going to go ahead and write our equal to sign. Number 2, use your number grid. Start at 33. Count back 9. 33 minus 9. Okay, so if you have a number grid, boys and girls, I do not have a number grid. I am so sorry for this. So I am not going to be able to do this problem with you right now. But I can at least give you the answer, and if you have a number grid, you should be able to get to the answer successfully, okay? So, if we look at our ones place value right here, we know that we have 3 and we have a 9. We can't necessarily do that, okay? So if you're to look at your number grid, I know you're going to see a 33 like this. Now, remember, skip counting, we can add or subtract by 10. So if you look at your number grid, right above 33 should be 23. That is 10. So if I subtracted 10, right, I get to 23. But that's too much because I don't want to subtract 10. I want to subtract 9. So I have to go back one more number, which would be 9. So you have to count back up 1, which would be 24. Okay? Actually, 24 will probably show up right here on your number grid. So you count up 10, but we really want to just count up 9, so we just go one more to the right. 33 minus 9 equals 24. Now for number 3, going back to our base 10 blocks, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know we have 6 tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 ones. Zoop, zoop, 6, 9, 69. Okay, so we have 6 tens, 9 ones, 60 plus 9 equals 69. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. Zoop, zoop. 36. 3 tens, 6 ones. 3 tens is 30 plus 6 ones is 36. Our new problem is 69 minus 36. Now, this is going to be some complicated math for you guys, okay? So we are going to go ahead. I want you to keep those number grids by your side, okay? So if we go like this with the number grid, and we are at 69, and we need a minus 36. So here's 69 minus 36. Well, we know we have 3 tenths, so we can go up 1, 2, 3. This would be 59, 49, 39. Okay? Now, we're at 39. We have to subtract 6 from 39. So we count down 6 from 39. Let's pound on 39. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, and now our sixth one, we have 33. Okay, so 33 is our answer. 1, 2, 3. For number 4, we have 1, 2, 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Zoop, zoop. 37. 3 tens equals 30. 30 plus 7 equals 37. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Zoop, zoop. 23. We have 2 tens. 2 tens is 20. Plus 3 equals 23. Our new problem becomes 37 plus. See how it says add? We're adding 37 plus 23. Now, we're going to go ahead, get those number grids out. We're at 37 here. I'm going to draw 37. Now, if we're adding, we're going to keep going down. So look, we have to add 2 tens for sure. We know that. 1, 2. So that's 47, 57. That's our 2 tens. Now we have 3 to add on to 57. So let's pound on 57. We hit 57. Add 3 on. 58, 59, 60. So our new answer is 60. Okay, now going down to number 5. It says solve 3 plus 4. Well, we should know what 3 plus 4 is at this point. But if we don't, let's pound on our number. Let's pound on the bigger number. 4 and add 3. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is our answer. 2 and 6. I think we should know 2 plus 6 right now. But again, let's pound on our bigger number and let's add 2. 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Ooh, now we're getting into subtraction. Notice the change of the sign. I know this is something that gets first graders often. First graders sometimes don't like to look at the sign. They just see numbers and they do what they want to do. They add or they subtract. So notice it changed to subtraction. Now, subtraction, we want to minus we want to take the smaller number away from the bigger number. So let's pound on the bigger number and take away 1. So 5, 4. We took away 1, so 5, 4. We counted down 1 and we got to 4. Now we have 6 minus 3, so we're going to pound on 6 and we're going to take away 3. We're going to count down 3. So pound on 6, 6, 5, 4, 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay, now we have $1. It says write 3 names for $1. Okay, I know that $1, remember, quarters equals 4 quarters. So I'm going to draw 4 quarters. If I have 4 quarters, I have $1. Now, remember, these 4 quarters, we can split them up by 2s. If I have 2 quarters, I know I have 50 cents. If I have 2 quarters, I have 50 cents. We add them together. 50 cents plus 50 cents equals 100 cents, which equals $1. If you wanted to, you could write it like this, 100 cents as well. Okay? So, we just wrote 3 different names for $1. And now, that ends the 8.10 review. You could either follow along with just these reviews that I did now, or you can follow along with the review that I have coming up for the test. Either or, I think it's going to help you with the test. You could do both, you could do one. It's really up to you. I want you guys to take control of your learning, and I want you guys to become independent learners.